Hello. So in this video, we will be going to learn about the STL, that is map. So map are used in a way that is key and its corresponding value. So let's start by implementing the map. So map are implemented like this, and here you will write here key, and here will be the value, and then the name of the map. So let's say MP. Now both key and value could be any data type. So now I'll write say mm, string will be the key and its value will be integer, and map MP. So here we created a map with its key value is string and its value is of integer type of name MP. So now let's say a scenario. Say you want to calculate uh, the total cost you spent in vegetable shop. So now, what will you do? In the question, you will be given like, let's say the cost of the onion was 20 rupees per kgs, and the cost of any vegetables means you have given the list of the vegetables and its corresponding values, rates in per kg. So how will you use this? Now, say if you have given uh, the cost of onion is 20 rupees per kg. Okay, so let's say MP of, so since it is a string, we write this, okay, and ONION is equal to 20. Okay, now MP of say potato is equal to 35. So here we have pushed two values, onion and potato, and its rates are 20 per kg and 35 per kg. So now, if you will be asked that what will the value of the rates if you will buy onion 2 kg and potato 3 kg. So here let's create an integer int sum. Okay, now sum is equal to MP of onion into 2 kg plus MP of potato into 3 kgs. And here you can see the values are 145. So what it's doing that here, if we are writing this statement, it will simply put the value of 20 here. So 20 to 2 is 40, and potato 35 into 3 is 105, I guess. Okay, so 145 is the answer. So in this way, you can use this map, and maps are used in approx every 50 question out of 100 questions. I generally use map every time. Sometimes you can use array also, but I prefer using map. Okay, now what is the difference between maps and unordered maps? So here, uh, in map, the objects are sorted according to the key values. Like if you are implementing the values in a manner, so it will sorted. So the time complexity of the map is n log n. Okay, because the best way we can sort data is n log n. Okay, there are some sorting techniques through which we can do it n also, but generally it is n log n. So here maps are used in n log n time complexity. I will demonstrate you the difference. Okay, so how do we implement unordered map now? So unordered map, and same here you can write int int. Okay, say m2. So here we have created an unordered map of key, integer, data type, and value of the integer data type, and the name of the map is m2. Okay, so now let's push some data. So m here, let's use char. So m of in order to push char we use single quotes. A is equal to 10. So now the value of a is 10. We have initialized. Okay, see here it will you will write m2. Now m2 of k is equal to 50. M2 of c is equal to 25. Okay, so now here let's see how to iterate the map. Okay, so to iterate the map in C++14 we use here you can use auto data type. Auto while we use auto, it will automatically set its data type. So here we have given auto a this and then m2. Okay, and to print this cout a dot first. So here you can see the value c 25 a 10 k 52. Okay, here you can see there are no any order of displaying the datas because unordered map are of complexity only log n and the datas are stored in any manner. It's actually hashing. So you can learn about hashing also in CPL algorithms, but here you can use another map when you have low time complexities. There are situations where the time complexity of unordered map are more than ordered map. Okay, so now here let's change this unordered to only map. Now you can see the difference that the values are sorted according to the key values. So here in sorted way a comes first and then c and then k. So here you can see I have written a k c. Okay, using the map it has sorted the values according to the key, and if we will use hashing you can see the values are like in any form. You can't say that in which form they are saved. It's hashing and it may use hybrid algorithms behind it. So this is all about mapping and unordered map. uh, these are very useful as I have told you. So in question section I'll be using this map and there you will get to learn more about this map. So that's about the map.